Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Anu Bajaj. Today I will be discussing concept and characteristic of business including a case study. Let's get started. Concept and characteristic of business. The main objective of any business is earning profit either by production or purchase and sales or exchange of goods and services to satisfy the need of other people. Business is a wide term and it includes all occupations. The motive is to earn income. In wider perspective, business is not about only dealing with goods and services. It's not of profit only. Business has become integral part of the society. In present era, business includes following activities: creating a customer for itself, converting economic resources into goods and services, innovating new products and services, marketing these innovative products. There are 6 main characteristics of a business. We'll discuss one by one. First, an economic activity. Second, production and procurement of goods and services. Third, sales and exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. Fourth, dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Fifth, profit earning. Sixth, uncertainty of return, or you can say risk. An economic activity. Main objective is earning money and livelihood, not for psychological satisfaction. Production and procurement of goods and services. Every business enterprise either produces or procures goods or services from producers. Sales or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. Business involves sales of goods and services. The production of goods and services for self-consumption is not a business. Buying goods to gift someone else is not a business, but buying goods for resale is a business. Dealing in goods and services on regular basis. One single transaction of sales is not a business. Buying goods or services once or twice is not a business. If a person is buying a house then sells it is not a business, but if he is buying and selling houses on regular basis to earn commission on regular basis is business. Profit earning. The main purpose of business is earning profit. Without earning sufficient profit, no business can survive. Risk or uncertainty. In business transaction, there is always an element of risk involved. Possibility of losses. Market conditions may change. Customers' taste may change. There may be strike in businessman's own factory. Now we'll discuss one case study. Ritu bought an imitation jewelry set for rupees 2000. Her friend liked the set so much, so the Ritu sold the same set to her friend for 2500 and made a profit of 500 rupees. After completing her studies, Ritu opened a shop of imitation jewelry for girls. Now 3 questions. Can transaction between Ritu and her friend be termed as business? Second, state the feature related to A. Third, can the sales of jewelry on her shop be called as business? Now we'll answer one by one. First answer, transaction between Ritu and her friend cannot be termed as business as it is not done on regular basis. So answer is no. For second question, its answer is regular basis. And for third, sales of jewelry set on her shop can be called as business as it is done on regular basis. So the answer is yes. Tip of the day. Raise your words, not voice, because it is the rain that grows flowers, not thunder. In my next tutorial, I will discuss multiple objectives of business and role of profit in business. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe, and do take very good care of yourself.